Experience Level Agreements, or XLAs, are your key to ensuring that IT teams and vendors put end users first. By using experience-centric metrics to measure the true value they provide to your end users. With HappySignals, you can easily implement and manage XLAs with built-in capabilities on the platform. No complex configurations needed. But first, you need the data. Start by collecting experience data from your end users in real time. Continuously measure their happiness and productivity across different IT areas, from ticket-based services to enterprise applications. Once you have a continuous stream of data flowing in, you're ready to set up XLAs. From the Identify section, pick the service or vendor you want to make an XLA for. For example, your service desk. Click Improve to create an XLA. Give it a name. Set start and end dates. And define the experience target you aim to achieve. And now you'll have a dedicated page to manage your XLA straight from the platform. You can find all your XLAs in one place from the Improve section. What's next? Tracking progress towards the experience level target, of course. See how experience evolves and whether you're reaching the target set. Make notes to document actions like training and process improvements, or unexpected events that may affect experience levels for this vendor. In regular meetings with your Experience Management Office, or XMO, use this page to review your XLAs based on insights from both experience and operational data. See how experience levels are changing and understand the reasons behind improvements. Here we can see that fewer people are giving negative feedback about the service attitude, and more are happy with the speed of service. You can also dive into granular changes within your XLAs, such as in specific channels. For example, discover that your on-site and email services are performing exceptionally well. Motivate your team by highlighting positive comments and acknowledge their role in reaching the XLA. Periodically, you may need to tweak your XLA targets. Simply click Edit to adjust the target level. And make a note to record the change. Ultimately, XLAs are about shifting the focus of IT to experience-centric outcomes. When you have achieved the successes from XLAs, celebrate them in our Improve section, where you can easily see the impact that IT has had on end-user happiness and productivity by putting experience first. Ready to make experience the core of your IT operations? Book a personalized demo to learn more about our XLA management tools and how they fit the needs of your organization.